Hello everyone, welcome to my class with essay. Our topic for today is Introduction to Sounds of English. First off, our learning objectives. We have three learning objectives. Number one, by the end of this lesson, learner should be able to identify the sounds of English. Number two, learners should be able to distinguish between vowels and consonants. Number three, learners should be able to pronounce all English sounds correctly. To start with, the English language, like other languages in the world, is made up of sounds. These sounds are called phonemes. The scientific study of speech sounds is called phonetics. This is called oral English in secondary school in Nigeria and some, West African countries. There are 44 sounds in English. These sounds are classified into two: vowels and consonants. For you to speak good English, for you to speak with the right diction, you must master all these sounds as a learner. And let me correct this misconception about good diction. Because some people believe that for you to speak with the right diction, you have to fake an accent. You have to speak in a certain way. This is not correct. Speaking with the right diction is a function of mastering the sounds of English, stress pattern, and of course, intonational pattern. Once you've mastered all these segmental and supra-segmental features, you are good to go. Okay? So you speak naturally without faking an accent. Every region has its own accent. So you don't have to imitate any, foreign accent before you speak a good English. Do you understand? When we speak in sounds, but we write in letters. And sounds are different from letters. There are 26 letters making the English alphabet, but there are 44 sounds in English. Like I told you, these sounds are classified into two: vowels and consonants. So let's pick them one after the other.